In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bundle items on Shopify, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to install a bundle app and create a clean, customer-friendly product bundle in just a few clicks. Start by opening your Shopify admin. On the left sidebar, click Apps. This is where you manage all tools connected to your store. From there, open the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Bundle. You'll see a range of bundle builders. Take a moment to look at ratings, pricing or free plans, and key features like support for your theme, inventory syncing, and variant handling. When you've found one that fits your needs, click Install, review the permissions so you know what the app can access, then approve to continue. Once the installation completes, open the app from your apps list. Inside, look for the option to create a new bundle and click Create Bundle. If the app offers multiple bundle types, choose Product Bundle, then confirm by clicking Create. This sets you up with a straightforward bundle that groups specific products together. Give your bundle a clear, customer-friendly name. Think about how it will appear on your store and in search results. Names like Summer Skincare Set or Coffee Lovers Duo work well because they're descriptive and value-focused. Keep it concise, consistent with your brand, and easy to scan. Now add the items that make up the bundle. Select bundle products, then click Browse to open your product picker. Use search or filters to find the first product, select it and add it. Click Browse again to add the next product and repeat until all components are included. If your products have variants, make sure the appropriate variants are allowed or visible in the bundle. It also helps to glance at stock levels so you don't include out of stock items that could block checkout. When everything looks good, click Save. This saves the configuration in the app and syncs the bundle to your Shopify catalog. In many apps, saving creates a new product that represents the bundle, which customers can add to cart in one click. If you don't see it right away, give the app a moment to sync, then refresh your products page. That's the full process. Open Shopify, go to Apps, enter the Shopify App Store, search for Bundle, install the app you prefer, open it, create a product bundle, name it clearly, select your products via Browse and save. You've just built a seamless bundle that's ready to sell.